Welcome to Eagle Complete course. In this video, we're going to learn about ULP or User Language Programs. The Eagle user language can be used to access the Eagle data structure and to create a wide variety of output files. Using the ULP tool, we have to write a ULP or the user language program and then execute it. A user language is a program created to extend the functionality of Autodesk Eagle, which is written in a C-like syntax. User language program use the extension .ulp. ULP is used to either facilitate a routine job in an automated way or do a job that can be done without ULP's help. For example, the only way to import an image to your PCB design is by using the command import ppm ULP. Auto placement, exporting BOM, and renumbering parts in a schematic are all routine jobs with which ULP can help. Eagle users who are not proficient with programming can still use ULP files to install custom Eagle features. By default, Eagle includes a number of useful ULP files, and Autodesk has made a number of additional ULP files available on Eagle's website. Eagle's default ULP files are stored in the program's example/ULPs/examples directory, which you can access from Eagle's control panel. Eagle ULP shares a lot of similarity with C program. ULP consists of two major items. They are definitions and statements. Definitions are used to define constant, variable, and function to be used by statements. Here's an example of ULP program. So, how do we create a ULP file? First, we open the Eagle control panel, then select File, click New, then click ULP. Eagle's ULP text editor will then appear, allowing you to create a program and save it to the default directory in which Eagle stores user-created ULP files. You can also create your own ULP file in any source code on text editor. Just make sure to use Eagle's user programming language to write your program and to save your file with the .ulp extension. Now, to open or edit a ULP file, you can select a file, then click Open, then click ULP.